In this activity, we're going to gather and analyze data for the 4 to 6 initiatives you identified on Handout 1.1 that helps us understand the fidelity of the implementation of your initiatives. We will record this data on the right-hand side of this display and also on Handout 1.2, which you should download as a Google Doc or a Word document on the Resource tab at the right top-hand side of this display. On your Google Doc or Word version of the Handout 1.2, please copy your information on the display before clicking Next. So now let's look at Handout 2.1. When we think of the fidelity, we're thinking about how you're actually implementing the said intervention, initiative, program, or what you want to call that activity that you have that's building-wide, how people are interacting with it, how the resources are supplied for the activity or intervention, the time that's allocated for it, and as well as does it fit what you're trying to accomplish as a building. So when we look at the different boxes that we're going to fill out on the right, we have first the staff that's involved. These are the people from yourself, if you're involved in some way, to the leadership, to the people, again, that are making the copies, to the people that are giving the directions, to the people that are actually working with students or contacting parents or what have you, that are involved in that specific initiative. Then the training adequacy. Do you feel like people are adequately trained? And this could be something that could be gathered either by talking with your leadership team, talking about the people that are actually implementing. It could be a survey that you drop to your teachers in their mailbox. There's a lot of different ways you can gather that type of information. The supply adequacy, in other words, do people have the materials that they need? Often when we start initiatives, we find that maybe we didn't run enough copies. People didn't have enough of the box curriculum, if that happens to be from a vendor. There's all kinds of things or shortfalls that happen throughout the year, and we want to make sure that we have enough materials and supplies for everybody that's administering the interventions. The time adequacy. Sometimes interventions are designed for, say, 45 minutes, but we only have a 30-minute block. And if you've adapted it to a 30-minute block, then fine. But if you're actually requiring a teacher to teach it or to provide that intervention in a shortened period of time, you're not going to reap the benefits that that initiative had been designed to support during the research phase. And then lastly, which is really important, the program fit. You know, we have so many different things that we're trying to solve in our buildings, or different issues, different goals that we're trying to reach. And we have to make sure that the initiatives actually fit within that vision. And sometimes we started a project maybe 5 years ago for a certain initiative, but we've changed our goals 2 years ago and there might be a misalignment. So with each one of these, you're going to identify who those people are, staff involved, the degree that the training adequacy meets the need, so high, medium, low, the supply adequacy, high, medium, low, the time adequacy, high, medium, low, and then the program fit, high, medium, low.